Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हांच्या नेतृत्वा सकयल जे सरकार चल्लां त्या सरकारान खूबशे प्रो पीपल डिसिशन्स घेतिल्ले आसा. तेन्ना तातूंत भितर सगळ्यांत इनोवेटीव डिसिशन पयरूच जालां म्हणटा तें अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ नोटरी इंजिनियर्स एंड आर्किटेक्ट्स टू एप्रूव ड्वेलिंग युनिट, सिंगल ड्वेलिंग युनिट. अशाच तरेन आनी एक इम्पॉर्टंट डिसिशन म्हणटा तें सरकारान घेतला, नॉवेल डिसिशन आनी फर्म डिसिशन which is intended to bring justice to the victims or complainants is the constitution and notification of SIT for cases pertaining to illegal transfers, land grabbing and forgery. It will have not only people from the police wing, but it will have some officers from the revenue branch of bureaucracy. It will have some officials of the archaeology department. It will have some officers of the civil registrar come sub registrar, so that this process of going to the root and ensuring that justice is done is taken with all firmness. ये SIT एक गठीत जावची आणि अशा तरेन काम जावचें म्हणून आमचो टुरिझम मिनिस्टर रोहन खंवटे हांणी हे पयलीं मांडिल्लें. सरकारान ऑनरेबल मुख्यमंत्र्यान आनी एक लँडमार्क डिसिशन घेतलें ज्याची तोखणाय करपा जाय की One man inquiry commission under Justice V.K. Jadhav, retired judge of Bombay High Court. कोण तरी political opponent खंय तरी एक misleading वक्तव्य करता and the party to which they belong, which ruled the state for a long period of time and who did nothing in terms of effective administration and firm decision making, will not understand the meaning of effective governance and good governance.